This bedroom is an absolute mess. It is our spare bedroom, but we are in the process of remodeling. So that of course means a new mattress and a new bed frame. So I want to show you this new bed frame we got. So this is a king size. We used to have a really tiny bed in here, so we thought our visitors deserve a nice, beautiful bed. So this one they're calling the linen beige, but it does come in lots of different colors. My husband put it together. It probably took him, I'm saying 20 minutes, half an hour. It was super simple. Directions were super clear, which was awesome. The headboard here is adjustable. So we have it on the lowest height just because, so it depends, like, you know, if you were to have like a box spring underneath here, you can adjust that height just depending on where you want this. We of course did not want a gap in between because you don't want your pillows falling back between there. So I love that it is adjustable. And then it is mainly like wood, but there is some metal, of course, like around on the bottom. But so you have this, and then like it matches, like the linen goes all the way around. I like that it is lower to the ground. I didn't want to be able, you know, to have things rolling underneath there, putting suitcases. We don't need that because we have lots of storage. So that's great for us. This, as I mentioned, you don't need the box spring. So it does come with the slats. And one of the things I really like is that they are Velcroed, but also in the middle, they are screwed down, because actually on our bed, we have something like this, but these keep moving all over the place. So the fact that you have the Velcro and the screw down, that is a major plus. But yeah, I think it looks really modern. It's really clean and crisp. And like, I mean, I can't wait to have our first visitors once the room is complete.